Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is dropping roughly minus 2%. This is not that scary considering QQQ is dropping minus 1.82%, SPY minus 1.25%. This looks quite normal to me. Tesla is not that volatile, which is quite good. Tesla is quite resilient right now, but it is indeed doing its pullback to its previous support level. So what's next on Tesla? I'm going to try to answer this question in this video. Just first remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel. And if you're new around here, subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights here on Tesla and on other stocks. I'm here every single day, keeping you guys updated. And if you want to have access to more analysis, premium analysis, consider subscribing my newsletters. Like, the link is in the description of this video, but like my own portfolio. I share my own portfolio with you guys every single week. And we are doing quite well. While I always share my insights, the recommendations, the details of our portfolio. But the funny thing is, while most professional managers can't even beat the S&P, we are beating the S&P by a mile. If we were an ETF, probably our portfolio would be among the top 10 best performing active ETFs in America. So yes, we have a thing over here. So I think you guys would like my services. Remember, check the link in the description of this video. We outperform the market and we outperform nearly every other professional in this industry. So seriously, consider subscribing our services. So right now, back to Tesla. And yes, I'm talking about Tesla, all right? Yesterday, only because I said Apple instead of Tesla 1 or 2 times during my entire video, some of you guys were picking on me. Oh, Nathan, you are saying Apple, you should say Tesla. Wake up, Nathan. Nathan, what the hell are you saying? You are so confusing. Guys, I was just testing your attention level clearly. And, you all passed the test, so congratulations. Unlike Tesla, which failed its test. Guys, Tesla is now doing a bearish structure. It did a bearish structure. It did a bearish pivot point. If you had any questions regarding this movement over here, now there is no deny. This is a lower high and this is a lower low. So it did trigger a bearish pivot point. This is a bearish structure that we see in the 1 hour chart. What this means? Usually it means pullback in the daily chart. But before we talk about the daily chart, back to the 1 hour chart. We have this support level, which is working as a resistance right now. It did work nicely as a resistance today. This is another classic example of the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Past support levels are supposed to work as future resistances and vice versa, because the market is all about numbers. There are some key price levels that are important to the market players, and it seems to me the 900s is indeed a key price level, a very nice, interesting resistance for us right now, which is at the same price level the 21 exponential moving average is right now at this moment. So the $900 area is supposed to be a dual resistance level for us from now on. And Tesla got to break this point in order to truly reverse this bearish structure right now, okay? And although it is doing a bearish structure, Tesla is giving us a very nice clue that in the end it's going to ultimately recover. See, Tesla did today a gap over here. We have an open gap in Tesla. And statistically speaking, of course, Tesla always filled the gaps that appeared above the price. The gaps that appear under the price, like this gap over here, these gaps are not necessarily filled. We still have open gaps under the price in 2013, for instance. But however, the gaps that appear above the price, they all got filled. 100% of them, except for this one right now. If you ask me, we're gonna fill this gap in the future. Sooner or later, we will. In my humble opinion, I rather prefer seeing this gap being filled later. How so? Because if Tesla fills this gap quickly, like next Monday, next week, by Thursday maybe, I'm so sorry, by Tuesday, I think this is going to be just a normal regular gap, and maybe it is going to work as a resistance for us as well. So Tesla could go up, quickly fill this gap, and then drop all the way down to 842. This is a real possibility. So I already prefer seeing Tesla dropping right now because we will see this point as a future target for us. And the more Tesla drops, the cheaper it will get, the more compelling it will become. And we can always work with this gap as a future target for us. So I do believe that this is a very nice indicator that Tesla will reverse this bearish trend, will fill this gap, but I rather prefer seeing more bearish structures, more pullback in the daily chart. Now, the trend is bearish in the 1 hour chart. Is the trend bearish in the daily chart? No, in the daily chart, the trend is clearly bullish. What could make Tesla reverse the bull trend in the daily chart? Only if it loses 842. As long as Tesla remains above this purple line, any drop, any pullback must be seen as an opportunity to buy. Because this way we are following the trend. Let's try to put ourselves on let me see, on other investors' shoes over here. Let's say you are totally outside of Tesla. You are on the sidelines waiting for an opportunity. Well, the area between the 21 EMA and this previous support level is a very compelling area for you to buy. You really want to see Tesla dropping all the way down to this support level before buying it. Why? Because, well, Tesla will be near a support level. When Tesla or anything is near a support level, the risk-reward ratio is way more attractive. Because if you buy Tesla over here, where would be your stop loss? Probably a little bit below 842. And what's your target? We have an open gap that will probably get filled in the future, and we have the 955 over here, which, in my humble opinion, right now, Tesla has decent chances of breaking this resistance, but we gotta see a bullish reaction. So any bullish reaction over here will have a very good and attractive risk-reward ratio near a support level after a pullback, which to me is just a pullback. See how Tesla is dropping, but the volume is decreasing as well. So this is not a true sell-off. It seems to me that investors are just cautious, are just waiting for Tesla to become cheaper right now. So this is how I see this situation, all right? I think Tesla is doing a pullback, and this is good. Good for us, good for investors, good for those who are on the sidelines waiting for an opportunity to buy. And when Tesla drops to this point, it will be very compelling. It's going to be quite irresistible to not buy it. And this might be the fuel Tesla needs to break the previous resistance, to do more stronger bullish structures in the midterm as well. So I am quite optimistic on Tesla right now, even considering it is doing this pullback at this moment. So it is important to tell that SPY in the weekly chart, it seems it found this resistance as well, and it is doing a bearish shooting star candlestick pattern. So yes, the idea of Tesla doing this pullback, I think it is totally plausible. But again, we shall not lose 842. So I will keep you guys updated every single day on this. So seriously, consider subscribing this channel, subscribe my newsletters in order to keep in touch with my services, with further analysis on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Thank you very much for your support, my dear friends. See you guys next week. Stay safe. Farewell.